Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen good. The secret to exceptional ramen begins with a deeply flavorful broth. You'll want to simmer your chosen bones, like pork or chicken, for a minimum of 8 hours to extract all their rich essence. Adding kombu and dried shiitake mushrooms during this process will infuse your broth with incredible umami, creating a complex and satisfying base for your perfect bowl. Next, let's talk about the noodles and toppings. Always cook your fresh ramen noodles separately, ensuring they are perfectly al dente, never overcooked. For the iconic soft-boiled egg, aim for a 6.5-minute cook time, yielding a jammy yolk. Thinly sliced, melt-in-your-mouth chashu pork is another essential topping, adding a savory, rich element to every bite. Aromatics and precise seasoning elevate your ramen. Begin by gently sautéing fresh garlic and ginger until their fragrances bloom, adding a wonderful base layer. The tear, a concentrated seasoning, is crucial. It provides a powerful punch of flavor. Remember to taste and adjust the saltiness and richness with a dash of high-quality soy sauce or a touch of mirin, balancing all the elements beautifully. Finally, the assembly and presentation are key to the ultimate ramen experience. Always warm your serving bowls beforehand. This keeps your ramen hot longer. Carefully arrange your perfectly cooked noodles, chashu, and egg, then ladle the steaming hot broth over everything. A sprinkle of fresh green scallions and a drizzle of aromatic chili oil add the finishing touches, making your ramen truly irresistible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.